I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Nissan Qashqai first generation, produced from 2007 to 2013. This compact crossover quickly became a bestseller in the United Kingdom, thanks to its blend of SUV practicality and hatchback drivability. It offers a spacious cabin for families and decent fuel efficiency, making it a go-to choice for urban drivers. One of the most common issues with this Qashqai is the CVT transmission overheating, particularly in models equipped with the continuously variable transmission. Drivers often report juddering or hesitation during acceleration, especially in heavy traffic or on inclines, which can lead to costly repairs. On the positive side, the manual transmission variants are generally more reliable and provide a smoother driving experience. Rust on the sills is another frequent headache for owners of these early Qashqais. The underbody and wheel arches are prone to corrosion, especially in the salty winter roads of the UK, accelerating wear if not treated promptly. However, with regular waxing and underbody protection, many owners manage to keep this at bay, preserving the car's sturdy build quality. Suspension components also wear out faster than expected in this model. The front struts and bushings can fail after about 80,000 kilometers, leading to a bumpy ride and potential alignment issues. That said, the Qashqai's handling is praised for its agility, making it fun to drive on twisty British B roads. Diesel engine variants, like the 1.5 DCI, suffer from turbocharger problems. Turbos can fail due to oil starvation or carbon buildup, causing loss of power and expensive fixes around the £200 mark for parts alone. Positively, these diesels offer excellent fuel economy, often achieving over 15 km per litre on motorways. Petrol engines, such as the 2.0 litre, are generally robust but can experience timing chain stretch. This issue manifests as rattling noises and may require a replacement costing up to £500 at a specialist garage. On the upside, the petrol models provide peppy performance and are less prone to the DPF filter clogs that plague diesels. Electrical gremlins are not uncommon in the first-generation Qashqai. Faulty window regulators and central locking systems can fail, often due to water ingress in the doors. Fortunately, the infotainment system is straightforward and reliable, with many owners appreciating the optional Bose audio upgrade for long journeys. Brake wear is accelerated in urban driving conditions. Discs and pads might need replacing every 40,000 kilometers, adding to maintenance costs. Yet, the braking system is responsive, contributing to the car's solid safety ratings from Euro NCAP. The air conditioning compressor can seize up, especially in higher mileage examples. Repairs might set you back around £300, but a well-maintained unit keeps the cabin cool during UK summers. Interior-wise, the Qashqai boasts comfortable seating and ample boot space of 410 litres, ideal for family outings. Fuel pump failures have been reported in some petrol models. This can leave you stranded, with replacement costs hovering at £250. However, the car's all-wheel drive option in higher trims enhances traction on wet British roads, boosting confidence in adverse weather. Exhaust gas recirculation valves often clog in diesel engines. Cleaning or replacing them is necessary every 60,000 kilometers to maintain performance. Positively, the Qashqai's elevated driving position offers great visibility, making it a favorite for city parking and motorway merging. Clutch issues plague manual transmission versions. The dual-mass flywheel can wear out, leading to vibrations and a bill of up to £600. That being said, the manual gearbox is engaging and pairs well with the car's nimble chassis. Paint quality on early models is subpar, with chipping common on the bonnet and doors. Respraying affected areas might cost £150 per panel. On a brighter note, the Qashqai comes in a variety of vibrant colors that hold their appeal over time. Battery drain from faulty alternators affects some owners. This results in starting problems, with a new alternator priced at around £200. However, the car's reliability in daily commuting is a strong point, with many examples surpassing 200,000 kilometers without major breakdowns. Interior trim, like door handles and dashboard plastics, can degrade quickly. Scratches and fading are common complaints. Yet, the cabin layout is user-friendly, with intuitive controls that make it accessible for all ages. Wheel bearing failures occur around 100,000 kilometers. The humming noise is a telltale sign, and replacements cost about £100 per wheel. Positively, the Qashqai's ride height handles potholes well, reducing the impact on passengers. Coolant leaks from the radiator are reported in hotter climates, but even in the UK, vigilance is key. A new radiator might run you £200. The engine's thermal efficiency, however, keeps running costs low at about 6 litres per 100 kilometers for petrol models. Steering rack problems lead to play in the wheel. Repairs can be pricey at £400, but the power steering is light and precise for easy maneuvering. Head gasket failures are rare but serious in overworked engines. Expect a £1,000 bill if it happens. On the positive, the Qashqai's resale value remains decent, with used examples starting from £2,000 for a 2010 model. Oil consumption can be higher than average in petrol engines. Top-ups between services are needed, but this is mitigated by the car's overall low maintenance if serviced regularly. Gearbox mounting bushes wear out, causing clunks during shifts. Replacement is inexpensive at £50, and it restores smooth operation. The panoramic sunroof, if fitted, can leak during heavy rain. Seals need checking annually to prevent interior damage. This feature, though, adds a premium feel to the drive. Catalytic converter theft is a modern issue, but for this era, exhaust manifold cracks are more common. Repairs cost £300, yet the emissions compliance helps with UK MOT tests. Door lock actuators fail, locking you out unexpectedly. A fix is around £100 per door. The keyless entry on higher specs, however, is a convenient bonus. Fuel efficiency in real-world UK driving averages 12 km per litre for diesels. This beats many rivals, though stop-start traffic reduces it. Owners love the economical long-distance capability. Ride comfort is compromised on rough roads due to firm suspension. Upgrading to aftermarket shocks can help for about £200. The car's crossover stance, though, provides versatility for light off-road adventures. Visibility is excellent, but rear parking sensors are prone to failure. Replacements are cheap at £30 each. This aids in tight UK parking spots. Build quality varies by production year. Early 2007 models have more issues. Later facelifts from 2010 improved reliability. Overall, it's a dependable family hauler. In conclusion, the first-generation Nissan Qashqai suits budget-conscious families in the UK who prioritize space and efficiency over luxury. It's ideal for city dwellers needing a versatile crossover, but less so for those in harsh climates or seeking bulletproof reliability without maintenance. If you're mechanically inclined or opt for a well-maintained example, it can be a rewarding buy. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.